Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh guys, ndiphethe esishisa show. There is a new kid in the block bathi nguBongani Gwala. He is the new kid in the block who is coming in very hot with polygamy. Is he going to be our next Musa Mseleku? Who guys in Ubonge Nhlanhla Gwala Kari got his story all together. Ngoba we can see here he's all over TikTok. He was celebrating his birthday and Sana, even all his 4 wives. And as Nokbana, they are all his wife and Njani, but yay, they were wearing the same outfit. Their makeup was top notch. Everything seems in order. Ubani lo Tatu Gwala? Who's this Mr. Gwala, guys? He's pushing his polygamy marriage beautifully. Like even the wives, when they walked in, like they were holding hands. All 4 of them, they were holding hands, and they looked so cute. Apparently he already has made it to 20 kids. So apparently he's got 20 kids as it is. Like, oh guys, is he going to replace uMusa Mseleku? Hayi ke uyophelela esibhedlela kwakhona uTata Mseleku xa ngava okanye abona ukubana hayi there's someone who's doing this polygamy thingy better than he is. Like you could see the wife, they are sitting there chatting, baze bayahlebezelana emadlebeni, they are laughing and smiling. Is this what they are coming with? Oh guys, I can't wait to learn more about this family. It was my first time seeing them on TikTok because they are trending there, and the KZN crew, they know them more because everyone was hyping them ukubana njani kaloku nisincishe ithombe nani nani for the birthday. Guys, everything looked so perfect. I've never seen such rondos in my entire life that are built at the same place. I was so cute, Lama Rondavel. Oh, guys, it's not everyone who's getting a yellow house. Some people are getting the rondo house. Oh, guys, this is so interesting. I am so fascinated with Lobong Nhlanhla Gwala. The way he seems to get everything in order. Like lo baba lo yonke into nje ihamba so. Like even his kids, they are so cute. Nkosi yami nabo, they are happy. They must give us more. I want to know more. I want to hear more about this family. You can see ke ukubana hayi ngutata nje userious ngento yakhe ngoba hayi uyagadwa nokugadwa kugcwele nje ama-bouncer baphethe neighbor. Nkosi yami mna yayisaba ke ibhamu, like you where they are guns, hayi no, naleyo content ngabe ngingasayenzi nje cause hayi awazi ukubana when a bullet's going to be flying off. So no, that's my worst. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you know this family, if you've heard about them, or like you've got better information. Let me know. Let me know about Ubong Nhlanhla Gwala and his wife's kids, KZN, where I want to know more. I want to hear more, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys know? Is he going to replace uMusa Mseleku? Is Musa Mseleku out and dated? Nkosi yami utakuphatha ngenye heart attack. Uyophelela esibhedlela kwakhona ubaba uMseleku xa ngeva kubana hayi there's another hot family that is replacing them. because now all our eyes are open for this Bong Ntantla Gwala. Utata uGwala lo sifuna ukwazi ukubana usiphatheleni yena. Ikephi Moja Love? This is your chance to give us more. Where are the TVs? Where are the crews, guys? Let me know in the comment section. What do you know? What have you researched about uBongi Ntantla Gwala and his family? The wives, the kids, where are they based? Because here now it's just the hearsays. I don't want to say anything that I'm not too sure about. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, yo, I want to know more about Lomdeni Gwala. Like that tent for the birthday, it wasn't even a tent, guys. It wasn't even a mark. It was like a mini mansion of a tent just for a celebration. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Plug me clear. Don't forget to like, share. Thank you so much for watching.